R. Function description of control panel. Enter the main interface after the machine is powered on. Now let's introduce the functions of these buttons. This is the speed regulation of the material tray, used to adjust the speed of this tray. Let's try. Tray start. Then adjust the speed through this knob. Press again and close. This is the starting switch of the grinding disc. It is not allowed to start the grinding disc alone. Press the start button of the grinding disc alone, and he will give an alarm. The water pump must be started before he can start the grinding disc. Press to turn off the water pump to turn off the grinding disc at the same time. This is the auto start button. After automatic startup, the water pump, material tray and grinding disc will rotate at the same time. Let's test it. Press the auto start button. Water pump, grinding disc, trays starting together. Press close again and it will close. This is the discharge switch. The discharge switch shall be turned on 3 times continuously. Turn to the open position. 1, 2, 3. After fully opening, discharge is completed. Turn off once, can be completely closed. This is the emergency stop button. Press the emergency stop button. Complete machine stop. If you want to release the emergency stop, one click of the knob can restart.